Hi everyone, I have found a free AI coder and its name is Codestral, and Mistral has published this Codestral LLM model, and they have written that code at the speed of tab. So currently it is a faster model that they are actually claiming, and here you see that generating and completing code about 2 times faster. So I will show you the full setup, and before that here you see that the benchmark they have done the comparison between this DeepSeek and this Code Llama, and these are the popular model currently available. So you see that it is beating the DeepSeek model because this DeepSeek has scored 83.5% and this Codestral has scored 86.6%. Okay, on this human eval and also this live code bench for the coding. Okay, now let me show you how to do the setup. So for setup, just go to your VS Code and go to your extension and just install this Continue.Dev extension, and after that you have to go to this website, this console.mistral.ai. If you don't have any account, just make an account, and after that here go to this button, this la platform. Okay, and after that on the left hand side you will find this Codestral. Okay, and just click on this Codestral, and for the first time you may see a access permission page. Just give your access, and after that you will find this type of page. Okay, and here you see that they have written use Codestral via your favorite code completion tool for free. Currently you will be able to access this for free. Okay, now there is a API key option, so you will see here a button get API key. Click on that. After that you will get your API key here. So just copy this API key. Don't use my API key because I will delete this API key after this video. Okay, now go to your continue.extension, and on the left hand side you will find this icon extension. Okay, this is this type of icon, and here you have to do the setup. So here you will be able to see this arrow. Here you see follow my cursor, click on this arrow, click on this add chat model, and here you have to select the provider as Mistral, model as Codestral. Okay, here you will get this all of the drop down, and after that here you have to put your API key, and after that click on this connect, and it will be connected to your VS Code. Okay, now you can use this Continue.Dev and this Codestral for free to generate the code. Now how to do this? And now let me copy one of the prompt. Suppose I want to build this expense tracker website. So just copy this prompt and paste it here. Okay, and if I press enter and just write build this website, this expense tracker website. Okay, now press enter, and you see that within a second my app is ready. They have generated the whole code, and they have generated the front end and back end setup also. Okay, so let me show you. Here you see that this is the front end setup, and if I show you that this is the back end setup. Okay, they have provided the code for front end plus back end, means the full stack project. Okay, and now another thing is that follow my cursor. um, there is a settings option for this Continue.Dev. So if you click on this, here you see that tab auto completion model. So just go to this title Codestral and Mistral provider and model Codestral hyphen latest, and here provide your API key. Okay, whatever API key you have copied from this official website, just paste it there. Okay, and after that what will happen, after pasting save the file, this configure.json file. So how will happen that let me create one file. This is a test.py file. Now if I write anything like def, so here you see that it is suggesting me the code. This is a code completion feature that you will get if you do this configuration. So I hope you got all the point that how to do the setup and how to generate the code for free. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to make this video like, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and please watch the other videos also that is I have published in my channel. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.